Nakilala natin siya bilang si Valentina Obale sa sikat na sitcom na OK Caferico na umere noong dekada 80 at 90 at patuloy na nagpapasaya sa mga Pilipino buong mundo mula noon hanggang ngayon. Now living in San Francisco, USA, she continues to be an inspiration to many. As challenges arise, she chooses to face each one with resilience, grace, and positive outlook on life. Through every season of change, she remains grounded in her values, proving that growth often comes from perseverance. This is a story of Jackie, or known as Jinky Oda.
Yes. Let's go now.
This is John Saavedra and you're watching The Unlimited. From Phoenix to San Francisco, we are next to a familiar face. I grew up watching her show OK Caferico, also known as Jinky Oda. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my episode 25. And next to me, the one and only, si Ate Jinky. Hi, Ate.
Hi, everybody in Arizona. Hi, you all. I hope everyone is doing well and blessed.
Thank you, Ate, for accommodating me. We've spent time together.
I
believe, was that last year or 2 years ago?
2 years na.
With the Nekla, right? With the Nekla. And we enjoyed your performance.
Thank you.
Sexy pero comedy. And we miss you.
Trying to be sexy.
We miss you, Ate. Kumusta ka na?
This episode is brought to you by Proxima Outsource Philippines Incorporation. Skin well because you're beautiful and you deserve it.
I'm good. I'm married for 4 years now with a wonderful husband. Not perfect, but he's good. You cannot find anyone like this in LA, like him in LA now. I mean, in Los Angeles, I should say. Yeah.
Look amazing, Ate. Ngayon ko lang talaga nakita na close-up eh. Kasi nung nag-show tayo, nung sa Donekla, syempre hindi kita makausap.
Mabilis ang
kasi lahat
pacing.
nagpapapicture sa'yo. And you're performing on the stage, kahit na I was your host, wala talaga tayong time to connect,
I know.
diba?
Ganun talaga pag live show.
Kaya now, we're gonna find out her story and everything about Jinky Oda.
Yes.
But your full name is, your real name is?
Jacqueline Oda Santillan.
Jacqueline Oda Santillan.
Yeah.
So
And-
let's start from the beginning, Ate. I'm gonna call you Ate.
Baka naman i-google nila yung Jacqueline Oda
Jacqueline
Santillan.
Oda. Pero para sa akin kasi mas kasi nagtatak yung Jinky Oda.
yes,
no?
yes.
So Ate Jinky yung tatawag ko sa'yo.
Okay,
Ate.
no
lang
problem.
ba? Ate, mag-umpisa tayo sa beginning. Tell us
Okay.
about how you started. Or the beginning, who was Jinky Oda
Okay.
back then, during your childhood
Okay,
days?
simply living in very safe place in Tondo.
Oh, Tondo.
I'm a Tondo girl. Doon ako
I
lumaki.
see.
Kasi I'm adopted actually.
Okay.
Of Santillan family. My foster mom, which is Juanita, we call him Mamang because everybody calls him Mamang. You know, because she's Ilocana.
Yeah.
Make the long story short, she adopted me from my biological mom when I was like 2 months old.
2 months old. Okay.
For some reason, well, ngayon na naging kwento ko na lang sabi before, actually my life story televised in Magpakailanman, but
I see.
that's another segment. Anyway, so 2 months old when she got me, and then she raised me, and then she gave me birthright, which is Santillan, and the rest
Yes.
is history. And then I have 6 foster siblings. Some of them are professional. 2 passed already. Unfortunately, actually 3 passed. Unfortunately,
Were you the youngest one?
I'm the youngest one.
I see.
Kasi all of them are like teenager when they got me.
Yeah.
I was 2 months old. Before, they don't like me because, my biological father is black. But he's from Ghana. I searched it from
I see.
Ancestry.com. But anyway, that's another segment story again. So, yeah. And then my mother is, of course, Filipina from Visayas. So she's kind of like light skin. So I'm not that dark. And my father actually is not that dark.
I see.
He's a light skin too. So yeah.
Parang mulato ba
Parang
yung tawag?
ganon, yes, yes.
So you grew up with Filipino family talaga pala.
Yes. Conservatively Filipino family, like the usual
The culture and everything. Kaya palang pag nagsalita ka, Pinoy na Pinoy.
Yes.
Kaya na pag makita mo, parang talagang, kung hindi kita kilala Ate, parang, oh, she speaks Filipino. Pero syempre, kilala kita dahil sa OK Caferico. Pero Ate, on a serious note, you did not spend a lot of time with your father. Is that what you're saying?
I've never seen my biological father at all. Until this ancestor thing here in US came up, and then my friend like convinced me, oh, why don't you search blah blah. We searched, and then I found out that he's passed 2019. But I saw his picture though.
So,
yeah.
this picture. So, growing up, meron bang hinanakit yun ate na parang may kulang ba sa'yo? Or...
Well, the only thing that I could say na hugot mode is that when I'm being called of my identity, because
Yes.
I'm different from
Because you look
typical
different. Let's be honest, you're beautiful, but we can tell you're mixed, right?
Yes, but at the time, during my time growing up, totally different. They call me Olikba, they call me Negra.
Bakit ganun naman?
That's how it is in in Filipino, because when you don't look Filipino at all, you look alienated.
Yeah.
Diba? So I'm being scolded by that, I'm being mocked by that and
Yes.
this. So that's the only thing that really I could say na may hugot or bitterness
Yes.
or whatsoever. But the rejection part, I never felt rejected at all until maybe college days.
Why?
It manifested that way. I don't know. I guess to my recall, I'm looking for like affirmation from a guy
I
or
see.
something.
Sa atin, di ba, sometimes when you look different, especially kung mas maitim, ang daming parang
Mega,
it's
ang
form
daming,
of bullying.
yeah.
Kasi I only see it in the
Yeah.
Philippines. When here in US, we celebrate diversity.
Colors, yes.
So ano yung parang sana mapalitan ng yung konsepto ng mga Pilipino na porke maitim, dapat ganun. Kasi
Well-
parang iba yung tingin nila kung maitim.
Well, I'm not sure if that's possible, especially when you live in the urban
In Asian
or
country as
suburb
well, right?
whatsoever.
Yeah.
But at least somehow now, medyo
Nasa-celebrate na yung iba-ibang kulay, di ba?
culturally medyo updated na ang Philippines,
Yeah.
just because Western are like being introduced
Yes.
not only from US but some part of Europe or Australia, something like that. But not everybody.
Yes.
Like I said, in urban, in province and rural things, they're still bullying this part, you know.
So growing up, kahit pa paano, nagka-ano ka pa rin. Parang nagka-issue ka pa rin sa physical look.
Yes.
But
yes.
your family never made you feel that way?
Never. Actually, my foster
Yeah.
mom, which is Mamang, she always fight for me.
Yes.
She always is the one who's like making so good all the kids or who people touch me or whatsoever. Even my foster siblings have like something like get jealous because our mother is more on side of me because maybe she has this thought of like kawawa naman because walang
So the
magulang.
attention goes to you,
something
right?
like that. Yeah, yeah, the attention goes to me, and then two of my siblings get jealous because of that,
Yeah.
and then they maltreated me as well. Because my mamang is businesswoman.
I'm lucky to be in this generation because yung mga mix na kagaya mo, nagiging Miss Universe.
I know, right?
We have Chelsea Manalo na pinaglaban
Exactly,
natin na
yeah.
parang na-appreciate na natin yung mga ganda nila.
Hindi
mga
lang
beauty
pati
nila.
lang hindi lang sa black feature pati
Hindi lang yun,
mix
lahat
din.
iba-iba
Yeah,
na.
yeah.
Para mas open na tayo.
Maganda nga.
Pero
Maganda
sana,
nga combination ng Pilipina.
Oo, basta kahit anong mix ng Pilipina, maganda.
Yes.
Thank you ate, para sa akin napakaganda mo.
Salamat. I woke up like this.
At naging
Char.
yun, feeling ko naging way din yun para maka-enter ka ng showbiz. Is
Most
that,
likely. Actually, I think it's a divine appointment for me at that
how
time.
did it happen? Tell us.
Okay, so I was in high school. I have a best friend, girlfriend. Kasi yung talent coordinator ng Itbulaga used to hang out dun sa lugar namin. Kasi
Okay.
meron siyang dinidigahang babae doon. So panayang paano niya,
Paporma,
paporma
ganyan.
and everything. So it so happened at that time, kailangan niya ng mga contestant sa Itbulaga.
Para anong contest to?
Sa Itbulaga yung shampoo, ang mukha nun super kinky and everything. As in, kinky talaga.
Yes.
So naka-braid lang ako
Yeah.
noon at saka nakapambahan ako at that time. But anyway, to make the long story short, so I forgot his name, but anyway, let's call him Kuya.
Oo.
Si Kuya kailangan niya ng contestant, at least mga 20 na people to join that contest.
Yes.
Parang maging audience na
Para
rin.
may volume lang.
Oo.
no?
Maging audience na rin at the same time. So it so happened tong best friend ko, sabi niya, huy, kinukuha ko ni Kuya, maging contestant sa Itbulaga. Nahiya ako. Samahan mo ko, Jack. Sabi niya gano'n sa akin, kasi tawag na sa akin, Jack.
Jack.
Actually, they call me Jack Kulot kasi nga yung buhok ko.
Jack Kulot. Oo.
Na classic Jack Kulot, di ba? So, gano'n. Sabi ko naman, talaga, Itbulaga? Sige, join.
Oo, sikat yung Itbulaga.
Naglalaba ako ng shoes ko, no? Kasi at that time, it was just, the EDSA revolution just ended. Like 2 days after. So, tahimik na ang taong bayan, nakanya-kanya ng bahay. So, pahinga at saka Itbulaga at that time was super number 1 nationwide. Yan ang pinaka parang detox ng mga tao. Kasi nga,
Para yun lang talaga. Noong
yun lang,
80s talaga.
So ako nung pagkatapos ng maglaban ng rubbers kasi kinabukasan, Sunday, then pasok na agad siya, nagsa-summer class ako noon eh. Kailangan ko yung rubber shoes ko. So, iniwan ko na lang siya. Pero nilaban ko naman. Tapos, jumoin talaga. Kung ano yung suot ko.
Yun na rin.
Yun na rin. Hindi na.
Wow.
Kasi paalis na eh.
Anong year to ate? Natandaan mo?
Year? 86.
Oh my gosh. I was born 85. End of 85. 80s.
Hindi ka pa. Tingnan mo.
Wala pa akong one.
Wala ka pang one.
Grabe. So pag nabas mong ganyan, syempre hindi common yung ano mo, di ba?
This is what happened.
Oh.
So, she was the one who got for the contest. But, just because na stage fright ang babaeng bakla, so ako naman tong makapalang mukha at walang kahihiyan ang pumalit sa kanya. Sabi ko, ako talaga nag-volunteer ako, wala akong pakialam.
Pero hindi sila nabigla, tatagalog ka?
Hindi
Kasi akala nila foreigner yata to eh.
No. Kasi
Alam na
parang
nila
hindi
na
naman
ano
ako
ka.
yung ganun nung mga panahon na yun eh.
Oo.
Kasi mga GI nga, di ba?
Oo nga.
Anyway, so to make the long story short, ako na yung sumabak for her.
Oo.
So, sige, sabi na lang nung talent coordinator ng Bulagan.
Sama na yan. Sama na.
Oo, sige, sama na. So, audition.
Oo.
Siguro mga 20 kami nag-audition, down to 10, 5, and then 3. Guess what?
Wow.
Sino yung kasama ako sa 3.
Wow.
Talagang mega effort talaga ako
Talagang
ng
ano kaya,
bonggang-bongga.
doon pala.
Kasi parang hindi ko papalagpasin
Say if you want it, you have to get it. Di ba?
Exactly.
Kailangan talaga pakapalan ng mukha.
Pero alam mo, the reason why I say divine appointment is because prior to that that event, I had this like a vision na magkakapera ako or
Yes.
something. Kasi I'm expecting, kasi mag-birthday ako, no? Kasi it was February 19. I cannot forget. 1986.
1986.
Imagine. Kasi ang birthday ko 27. So I'm expecting to have money from. But I didn't know it was from like Bulaga's
Yes.
prices. But anyway, yun. So yun yung vision ko na sabi ko magkakapera. Tapos meron tayong mga old-fashioned na kasabihan na kapag nakaapa ka raw ng dumi ng whatever.
Inapak mo.
Nakaapak talaga ako.
Talaga?
Napagkabaho
Pero
ba ako?
inapakan mo o naapakan mo?
Naapakan ko. So anyway, so parang nag-segue kasi nga, I grew up with my Ilocano mom, so marami siyang mga myth na
Hanggang ngayon naman meron tayong mga
So,
paniniwala.
at saka pag gumakatiro, ilong mo, kakapera ko, which is somehow, in a way, nagkakatotoo, but hindi na, wala naman doon yung faith ko, ang faith ko kay Lord. But anyway, so ganon. True enough. So to make the long story short, from the 3 contestant, no? So first contestant from parang Las Piñas yata, labas si ate. Kasi prior to the contest, kasi i-brief mo na kayo kung paano kayo lalabas sa camera, ganyan. Ako talaga, nung dumating na sa point ko, from Tondo, Manila, actually ganito muna, yung how the jinky came off. So, anong pangalan ng contestant? Kasi meron akong, noong mga panahon na yung mga, maharot-harot pa tayo sa mga tawag ito, yung phone, parang phone pal.
Yung parang
Hindi pa dating online.
party line. Hindi ako makarelate guys kasi 1 year old pa lang ako na. Pero I love 80s. Pero
I'm sure
naiintindihan ko
I'm
yung
sure some of you
maraming
can
nanonood
relate.
dyan.
Yeah,
Mga
can relate.
Golden Girls, di ba?
Yung mga phone pal, mga letter.
Mga bagets, di ba? Mga hello.
Wala pa no.
Wala mga bagets no.
Wala pang bagets. So kasi 86.
85 na yun.
No, I think
Parang paumpisa pa lang,
Later,
paumpisa.
yeah. But anyway, so yeah, kasi ang pinaka-idol ko pa nun si Janice de Belen at Aga Mulak high school days. Yeah, but I never know na Aga
Sila yung
Mulak.
maka-age mo pala.
Exactly. So, I never know that si Aga Mulak is one of my son's godfather.
Oh, okay.
Imagine that.
Yeah.
How that fortunate. Anyway, so
Ano na yung top 3?
top
Lalabas
three
ka na.
top three. So, kasi the reason why Jinky came out is because sabi nung, siyempre pag live show, maingay. Diba? So ang daming
Tuloy-tuloy na eh.
Yeah,
Talagang
kasi pugo parang few minutes na lang, live show na. Kasi kailangan walang cut yun eh. So sabi ko, anong pangalan ng contestant? Sabi ko, Pinky. Kasi yun yung pangalan ko sa phone line. Sa aking phone call. Pinky.
Pero narinig Jinky.
Ang narinig Jinky. Ano? Jinky? Hindi na, gagawa na ako ng ng name tag. Yeah.
Nalagay Jinky.
So,
Yung
ang
pala yung
nalagay-
story noon.
Yes, ang nalagay Jinky.
I see.
Hindi ko na pinapalitan, kaya naging Jinky siya. Previous, Jinky, pagka, alam mo sa atin, sinashortcut yung pangalan, Oy, Jinx, kamusta ka na?
Jinx.
Anong mga panahon na yun, hindi ko pa alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng Jinx until I got born again. Kaya nasabi na, ibig sabihin ng Jinx, mala. So parang,
Don't drink it.
nagkaroon ng ang katotohanan sa buhay ko yung naging
Hindi naman siguro.
minala. Somehow, parang if I could see it and going back, parang naging ganun eh.
I think what you think is what happens. Sa nangyari sa'yo ate, pili ko nagmamanifest kung ano yung naiisip mo.
I don't
Di
know.
ba nung una from the money,
nag-manifest lang yun. Kasi kung ano yung mga how they call me, Jinx, instead of Jinky. Kaya nga, every time they call me Jinx, they said, please call me
Jinky.
Jinky. I don't want to be called Jinx. I'm not Jinx anymore. That's why, after a while, 2014, if I'm not mistaken, when I'm being introduced again to endorse a beauty product.
Yes, I'm gonna get to that one later on. Dahil sabi ko, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas, I think mga almost a decade ago. Pag ganun ko, sabi ko, ala,
May billboard.
si Ate Bale. Kasi bata pa lang ako.
Yeah.
Talagang Ate Bale. Kasi nga, Aiza calls you Ate Bale.
Yeah,
sabi
yeah,
ko.
yeah.
So,
Hindi,
I'm the
kasi-
same age
okay.
as Aiza.
Talaga ba?
Older lang siguro siya ng 2 years. Pero I grew up with Okay Kaperico.
I see. Kasi yung Valentina yon. Sabi ni Enteng, which is Vic Soto, nako pa, Valentina ka pa, bale. Kaya simula nun, pero nasa script naman kasi, nasa story, kaya they call me Bale. That's my character name.
Yung kasi yung number 1 show, mga early 90s, ganyan. But I remember
No, it
elementary
was, I think,
days.
88 onwards.
Onwards, elementary
11
days,
years on.
talagang every Thursday night. See, alam ko pa,
Yes.
every Thursday night,
Yes.
Okay Kaperico.
Yes.
Tsaka yung introduction ng Okay Kaperico, the original cast, kami magkakapatid, kung sino yung lalabas next, sinasabi na namin, ayan na si Enteng, Ina Magenta, si Bale, si Popoy, ganyan.
Yeah.
Kaya sabi ko, oh my gosh, di ba nakwento ko ate nung sa host, na ang intro ko sa'yo, totoo yun. Hindi yun, it's not an ad-lib or what. Nasabi ko, when I was a kid, I really collected yung Okay Kaperico stickers.
Talaga ba?
Okay Kaperico stickers na dinalagay sa rep, they were inside the cheese curls. Yung mga binibili
Mga
piso-piso.
merchants, yeah.
Lahat ate na kompleto ko, ikaw lang yung wala. Kaya nga sabi ko, I didn't know that I'm destined to host something na ikaw yung guest.
Exactly.
Kaya nga sabi ko,
And now you're
kaya pala
interviewing
hindi ko nakita kasi siya yung makikita ko in
In
person.
yeah.
Kasi hindi ko pa nakita lahat. Ikaw pa rin yung makikita ko in
Talaga
person.
ba?
Kaya nung sabi ko, I told the producer, Ate Alma Goldsmith, if you're watching, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I was looking forward to see you.
Yeah,
To be
Ate
honest
Alma,
with you.
mga
Yes, Ate
shows.
Alma Goldschmidt, the Nekla. This is she was the one who actually started the show during the Nekla
Yes,
show.
I'm front act, yes.
Yes. So yung bale ate,
Going
so
back,
feeling ko nung panahon na yon, tinatawag ka bang bale?
Yes,
Wherever you go.
yes.
Sige, magkamay kayo. Nabi,
Eh di magkamay.
Yan! O ngayon, maghanap kayo. No, hitting below the belt. Ibig sabihin embrace. O, beso. Okay.
Kasi until now, feeling ko, tumikis
Bale
sa'yo.
pa rin, oo. Pero dahil nga nagkaroon ng transition sa buhay ko, sabi ko hindi na ako bale. Kasi parang ang nega na sa akin ng bale.
Bakit naman?
At saka ang nega na sa akin ng jink. Kasi nga yung, the root word itself, the word
Ba't yung
itself.
bale? Bakit yung bale naman?
Bale, warap.
I didn't even think about that.
See?
Ate,
Hindi nga
I didn't
kasi
even
nga,
think about that.
nagkaroon ako ng different perspective. So, when I got born again, parang inaiba na yung perspective ko sa buhay na whatever you say, it become real. Kasi we have to be careful
okay.
what we say.
Yeah.
Well, of course, sa Filipino culture naman, hindi naman
Iba-iba,
talaga yung bale,
oo.
di ba? As in, bale talaga, literally.
Oo.
Bale, pero it was from Valentina.
Oo.
But, iba kasi yung, like I
Kaya kung
said,
Tina na lang. Sabihin mo na naman,
hindi, sinabi ko-
tinapon.
No.
Iba na naman.
Actually, sabi ko, anong bale? Sabi ko kay Enteng nung it was on the show. No, pangalan ko Tina. No? Anong Tina? Sabi niya, bale. Kaya yun, nag-start.
But in Arizona, talagang everyone said, oh, I enjoyed ballet. Ballet talaga, ate.
Yeah, it's okay.
Because I think you have to look at the positive side then, na that name became,
Hindi kasi actually,
became a household
I don't
name.
mind that. It's just because I'm just be careful of the words that you
Oo.
say to speak to people, especially
Yes.
to yourself. Diba? Kasi nga, like I said, it could
The
be
meaning of the
manifested.
word.
Yeah, it could be
Yes.
manifested.
Yeah.
But, anyway,
yeah. That was the best show. Ilang years nag-last yung Okay
in
Kaperico?
13 years.
13 years?
Yeah, with different channel. 5 years sa IBC, 4 years siya sa ABS, and then 3 years sa kasi when Miss Charito Solis died, parang Vic Soto wanted to
Yung
stop it.
Ina
Kasi
Magenta.
parang he has this myth also na parang jinx na rin daw pag may namatay. And then followed by Bayani Casimiro Sr. died,
Yes.
passed then also. And
Si Pipoy.
Pipoy died later when
Later
the show
na.
is gone na. So, yeah. Ang daming natulungan ng MZ Production, which is Vic Soto's owned by it. Isa ako sa mga natulungan kasi nakapagtapos ako ng nursing.
Oh, we didn't know that.
Hindi lang halata.
We did not know that.
I'm a graduate nurse, but I never practiced. The reason why is because I never had the heart to be a nurse. Actually, it
Yeah.
was also only my foster mom wanted it. So to honor her,
Yeah.
I graduate.
Kasi naman sa Philippines lahat, mag-nursing kayo, basta mag-nursing,
culturally,
demand,
ganun eh,
di ba?
yeah.
Ganyan.
It's either nursing sa babae, engineer sa lalaki.
Yeah. Naman sa Pilipinas, may rival parati,
Exactly.
di ba?
Gusto nila yung mga ganun. Siguro, hindi ko pa, kasi hindi talaga ako showbiz eh. Alam mo, hindi ko mag-sink in sa akin yung ganong format. Oh, ano lang to, don't take it personally. But sa akin lahat personal.
Pero ate, ano naman yung best moments mo? Besides the rivalry, pero ano yung pinaka-best moments sa
Of course,
showbiz?
yung nanalo ang Okay Ka Fere ko ng...
Sa tapos mo, na you have the diploma.
Yes, I have a
and everything.
diploma. I'm
Yes.
a bachelor, so yeah.
So, show business ate, let's go back to Okay Ka Ferico. Meron bang challenges sa'yo when you were in showbiz?
Oh, yes.
What was the main challenge?
Yes. First challenge sa akin was, kasi nga nagkaroon ako ng issue about yung being African-American looks, no? Tapos may lumabas na isang super dark, which is Whitney Tyson. And then they compared me to her. Pero we became friends
Yes,
afterwards.
yes.
Metro Manila Film Fest, ng 2 beses.
Best show, TV show.
Best shows, TV shows. Tas
Yeah.
Best actress si Bossing. And yun, support of all the team. So, okay naman. And then, best moment every time we had a taping, family kami doon.
Yes. Hanggang ngayon, I'm sure
Yeah.
pag nakita-kita kayo, feeling ko,
Actually,
ganun pa rin.
I've done yung Vampire ang Daddy Ko with Vic Soto 2014 before I got here.
Nandun ka
Yes,
sa Vampire
one
and
of
Daddy.
the and yung script writer, kung sino yung aking mentor na sa Bulaga, siya yung nakadiscover sa akin. Siya rin yung
Naglagay sa Vampire
naglagay sa
and
Vampire and
Daddy
Daddy Ko. O si Bibet Ortesa, shout out.
O ngayon naman ate, bakit ka naman naging laman ng billboard?
Sige,
Kwento mo naman yung naging Glutamax dahil pati ako napabili ng Glutamax.
Talaga ba?
Believe it or not. Sabi ko, grabe, ang puti na ni ate. Ni ate Bali. Bumili po talaga ako ng mga Glutamax, yung puti na
Yeah,
box.
yeah.
So ano nangyari doon? Bakit naging talagang everywhere? There's 1 year,
Okay, so
ikaw lahat sa billboard.
Exactly. I have a friend in show business. His name is, if I could mention, Robbie Tarosa. Okay, so Robbie Tarosa is a friend of this producer ng Glutamax. So they came up na, actually, parang mga ano sila yung mga beauty center, mga esthetician, tapos mga dermatologists, ayun. Tapos, meron yatang, alam mo na sa Pilipinas, mga kunyari may isa kang product, tapos may isang kakalaban sa product mo, yung gano'n.
Lahat.
So, I think it was someone who's famous also sa mga beauty care na kukuha ng idea na kukunin yata si Jaya as endorser.
Okay.
Yeah, but the thing is, ito nga ng Robbie Tarosa, sabi, no. Sabi niya, I have a friend. Jinky Oda is perfect for this project. Ganyan siya. So, make the long story short, nag-agree sila. Sige, gawin nating model si Jinky. But ang tanong, papayag ba siya? It so happened, from Australia, na nasa Pilipinas kaming mag-ina. And then, Robbie reached out to me and said, hey, girl! Ganun siya, girls! Sabi niya ganun sa akin, meron akong ganito, merong nilulutong project, baka in-explain niya sa akin how it's gonna be. So, you go undergo with this, beauty care like this, beauty care like that. I'm like, tapos, ganyan. O di, akong lalabas sa manager mo.
Sumikat ka doon talaga ate. I don't know if you're aware. Siguro kung nasa Pilipinas ka ba noon, nung time na yun na lahat ng billboards, ikaw yung laman.
Yeah.
Kahit papunta sa airport, ang dami mong Glutamax.
Oo, kasi talagang they boost that out kasi talagang marketing wise and everything.
Yes.
Kasi nga parang first time magkakaroon ng kagaya
Saka that was the
na
first time
kulay.
also I heard the word Gluta.
Ako kasi, ang testimony ko talaga na I used the product
Yeah.
itself at talagang nag-gone through ako sa beautification. Kaya nung nilaunch, ito yun, wala tong parang making na whatever na sinasabi kasi may mga intriga pa and everything.
Ganda nga ng post mo. Tingnan mo, nakaganon ka yata ate.
Tapos yung before and after.
Oo.
Ang sponsor ko ngayon ng beauty care ko is Kalayan Skincare dito sa may Milpitas. Yeah.
May Kalayan pala dito.
Yes.
Sa San Francisco.
Actually, sila ang original. Yung Kalayan sa Pilipinas, parang
branch na lang yun.
relative nila yon. So, ang original talaga, they're here for like
Dito.
36 years na. Kalayan aesthetic beauty,
You do have
clinic.
beautiful skin. I can
Clinic.
see. I don't know if I'll zoom it, but you have flawless skin ate.
Bix
By
pala yan.
looking at your skin na nakikita ko yung...
Hindi, tsaka hindi rin ako pala makeup.
Hindi ka rin
Kahit-
napansin ko
kahit-
nga. Pag
kahit-
nagpa-perform ka lang siguro.
Yes.
no?
Only on my performance. Sa bahay, wala ganito ako.
Oo.
Wala talagang... Kasi wala lang. Kasi parang bakit mag-makeup? At
Tsaka parang kang ano eh, you're really not, yung alam mo yung, I love speaking to you because wala akong naramdaman na padiba-diba or yung, di ba yung iba kahit na wala na matagal na sa ano, parang you can feel the boundary.
Ewan
Ikaw
ko
parang
na-
you're human na parang anyone can talk to you.
Of
you have that
course.
personality.
Kasi nga, ang mindset ko, what for? I mean,
Yeah.
I
You're so
don't-
approachable and
I don't
relatable.
see any reason
no?
para mag attitude ka lang. Siguro minsan, siguro
Kahit naman sino, please,
yung mga close friends ko talaga
Yeah.
na, ang dami kong,
Joke-joke na lang.
ang dami kong mga Bex na talaga,
Yes.
Bex battalion talaga na friendship. Sabi nila, ikaw impacta ka. Sabi, ginaganon nila ako. Kasi ba't ang suplado, kasi talagang bago pa ako born again, super maldita talaga ako. Siguro just because yung mga hugot ko, nagmamanifest na lang ng whatever, gano'n. Pero hindi ko napapansin, yung silang nakapansin kasi sila yung nakakita sa akin eh. And then, 1994, it was actually 1993 when I decided it was Princess Ponsalan who got me into this different kind of
Yes.
perspective sa life. So, doon, medyo nag-iba ako doon. Kumbaga parang na-deliver.
Nag-tone ka ng konti.
No,
nag-tone down
na-deliver
ka.
ako sa kaibilan ng bibig ko. Kaya very much, ako ngayon, conscious sa pagsasalita.
From Glutamax, ate, how did you transition to US? Paano ka nag-end up sa
Okay,
US?
so my son is a veteran. Alright, so dito ko siya pinag-aral. Although he was born here anyway, so pinag-aral ko siya din and everything. To make the long story short, after I need to go to his graduation from
Yeah.
boot camp. So I went sa Georgia with my friend. And then, at the time, patapos na yung vampire ang daddy ko. Kasi parang 5 years yung contract sa GMA. But unfortunately, for some reason, hindi siya na ganun nag-rate. So, paano na to? As in, wala naman akong source of income kundi yung show business. At the same time, hindi na ako ma-business. Ewan ko, ba't di ako nag-business? Ang tanga-tanga ko din. Hindi, wala.
It's never too late, ate.
Actually, alam mo, marami akong mga non-showbiz friend na encouraging me na, hey, why don't you...
Feeling ko
ang feeling ko kasi, kasi kilala lang ako kaya mo ako ginaganyan or something.
Hindi, feeling
Ang dami
ko,
kasi
you have the personality.
nagbebenta-benta eh.
You have the personality, ate. Parang people would love to speak to you kasi you're so jolly. The way ako nga I talk a lot, but listening to you, parang ayoko na magsalita. Parang kwento ka lang, ate. Sige lang. O tapos, usually, I talk a lot.
Actually, I'm good on talking when it
Yeah.
comes to marketing. I've
You
tried
should-
that.
you should
Kasi meron
try
akong
it.
partner na ganun. Pero hindi ako how do you say it? Sales talk?
But
Oh,
you
iba yan,
don't
like
realize
sales-
that you do have it. Because right now, you're captivating me with your stories. Kasi nakikinig ako because you're being sincere and it's entertaining.
Talaga ba?
Oo.
But-
Namimiss ka ng mga kababayan natin. Ako nga, ate,
I really
I'm a
love to
millennial.
entertain,
Could you imagine,
to be
I'm a
honest.
millennial and I grew up in Guam. Pero
Oh, yeah.
hindi ko makalimutan yung childhood memory ko. And Okay Ka Ferry ko is one of them. Na
Actually-
whatever happened, talagang tanda-tanda ko yung lahat ng mga napanood ko nung bata ako.
Talaga
You're
ba?
one of them. Ako nga, I'm 40 years old now. Imagine mo yung mga ibang bata ng millennials na they're the one who watch TV na they want to see you.
Actually, to be honest, some of like, especially when I'm here, I thought tahimik lang buhay na. Pero every time like I go, especially sa mga Filipino market.
Napapasmile mo sila
talagang-
pag nakita ka, di ba?
Exactly. And
Oo.
konting picture lang. Talagang
Oo.
I like doing that. Actually, I miss doing that. And I love what I'm doing.
Hindi ka naman nagmamalditan na.
Ay, no.
Excuse me. Joke lang.
No.
Joke lang.
Siguro-
Alam ko naman.
Like I said, hindi, parang wala akong reason para magmaldita. Alam mo yun, kasi para-pareho naman tayo ng kulay ng dugo.
Ay, na, pero kasi
Pare-pareho
ate,
naman
you
tayo
have that-
mabaho ang...
May vibe ka kasi na parang tapos yung aura mo pa ngayon malaan Alam mo yung parang very American.
Talaga ba? Parang siguro natural na
Pero
lang.
kapag
Baka-
nakausap ka,
baka
feeling
hindi
ko
naman
magiging
baka
okay
hindi ko lang
naman.
napapansin or something.
Pero I'm sure, si Bale,
Minsan
Si
siguro, I don't
baka
know.
nahiya sila.
I don't know. Pero never naman ako nung sabi, pwede pa picture, tsaka na, hindi ko na naman mag- So sabi ko, 20.
Oo. Yung joke, oo,
Joke na
mapapasmile mo
20.
sila.
Yeah.
Ayoko na ng away, ha?
Ano yung sinasabi mo sa aking may utang ko sa'yo kanina?
Akala ko babati na tayo.
Eh di, wala na ako utang.
Meron pa rin.
Ganon.
makaka-travel ka na ibang state because
I know.
Filipino-American
Actually,
miss namin yung mga 80s, 90s talaga na show.
That's one of my one of my concern and prayer requests na I really wanted to go to different state na mag-entertain. I really like to. It's just that at the moment wala akong connection, wala akong network. I think I have to like
With the media right
channel.
now, you need to create your own channel. With the media, don't wait for someone to lift you. I think as long as you have a phone, you have your access, learn how to use the media to promote yourself.
Papaano?
Lahat ngayon nagbablog na, lahat ngayon
Actually,
Siyempre mamimiss ka namin
marami nagsasabi talaga na mag-vlog ka na mag-vlog ka.
Yes.
Kaya lang, anong content ang lalagay ko?
Ate, just be yourself.
Yung buhay
We
ng
wanna
asawa.
watch you as yourself. Ikaw lang. Di ba,
I try.
especially you're not afraid to talk about, ay, ganito kasi nangyari, ganon. You're so honest. That's what people want to watch.
Talaga ba? I tried. Meron akong channel sa YouTube na at least nag-run ng mga ilang, parang gumawa ako ng mga ilang videos din, kasi I work in security. So, tinitingnan ko, mga 50 nag-watch, 200 nag-watch. Pero ang tagal
Hindi kasi,
na.
matagal na siya. Pero now, lahat na ng mga showbiz personality,
I know,
vlog na
right?
Hindi na nga movie, mga vloggers
Exactly,
na
yeah. Doon sila kumikita ng pera.
Lalo ka na, pamilya na yung name mo, pamilya na yung face mo, mas kilala ka na nila.
So,
mas madaling ma-establish.
maybe I could start this year kung paano ba ako
Yan, abangan nyo yan ha. Abangan. So dito sa US, ate, ano naman yung pinaka, major challenges?
Hindi ko na natapos yung kwento ng show.
Ay, oo nga.
Anyway,
Ano pa? Ano nangyari sa showbiz?
hindi yung sa Glutamax sasabi
Oo
mo
nga,
how it
oo.
come up. Right? So anyway, so na-launch ako ng bonggang-bongga. It was like you said, blessing talaga to the highest level. They all supported me in everything. Ang
Awesome.
maganda nito, ang sumunod sa akin, si Gretchen Barreto.
Yes,
So,
I
parang,
noticed.
Sorry.
I noticed. Pero ikaw yung nauna yung nakaganon.
Sorry.
Ikaw yung nauna doon.
And then tapos Alice Dixon and
Yes,
so.
oo.
So siyempre nag-iba na kasi 5 years ang contract ko doon. So tapos pumunta lang ako dito. Iba na.
Pero nung ano ka ba, Adel,
I really
kalagitnaan nung Glutamax billboards mo, everywhere, na pati ako napabili.
Talaga ba?
Talaga box kasi nga sabi ko, ay, naku, papaputi
Ang mura
na
pa
ako.
nung time na- ako
Ang mura
rin
pa
nagbebenta
nun.
rin ako mismo,
Hindi, kasi
ha?
Guam ako noon. So pag uwi ako ng Philippines, wala
Bumibili
kasing
ka
stock
na.
sa Guam. So bumibili ako ng maramihan.
Yeah.
Wala ka bang pressure nun atin na parang i-maintain na, naku, nakaka-pressure naman, lahat nakatingin na sa akin. Ganun.
Wala akong ganung mindset. Wala lang. Kasi, you know, like I said, kung ano yung dapat gawin para sa product, ginawa ko lahat.
Yeah. Ano yung challenge mo dito sa US? Kasi di ba, mahirap din sa US eh.
Exactly. Ano mo ang pinaka-chance ko nung first time ko? Kasi actually, pabalik-balik na lang ako dahil nga sa anak ko, di ba? Kasi siyempre, kailangan. Every year, nandito ako Christmas.
Yeah.
Tapos yung last nga, nung bago siya gumaro ng bootcamp, at so, nasa army na siya, somehow, pabalik-balik lang once a year.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Until nung 2016, saka ako nag-decide na, sige na nga, kasi nga, wala na nga yung vampire
Yeah.
ang daddy ko. So, na-culture shock ako, 1 year, magko-COVID nun eh.
Oh, that's 2021.
Nasa bahay lang ako. 2020,
Oo.
nasa bahay lang ako and everything. Walang tao. So, doon ako nag-start mag-TikTok.
Ba't wala akong, hindi ko nakita yan. May TikTok account ka pala.
Yes! Doon na nag-start.
Oo.
Doon nalibang na ako. Kasi hindi ka makalabas. Bawal lumabas kung ayaw mong masaktan, di ba? Pero
Yes.
I do a part-time caregiving kasi at that time kasi yun lang ang
Yeah.
available. Tsaka
Oo.
yun lang ang parang allowed lumabas kasi you're in the medical
Nakaano ka
field.
naman.
So, ang bahay ko dati sa Newark, which is Bay Area side, pero ang trabaho ko sa San Francisco. So, a commute, na-experience ko mag-commute,
Yeah,
mag-bus and everything. I enjoyed everything.
Oo.
Wala namang regrets. Ang pinaka-downfall ko lang noon is that, yun nga yung, parang ang hirap, hindi kagaya sa atin na, oh, chika, dito talagang bahala ka, kanya ka. Tsaka,
Kanya-kanya. You have to be independent, no?
ang napansin ko lang is that napaka-standard nung, kamusta ka na sa atin? Kamusta ka na? Alam mo ba? Ang daming kwento, di ba?
Oo.
Tinanong mo lang, kamusta na? Pero ang haba ng sinabi.
Ang haba.
Dito, pag sinabi, kamusta? I'm good.
Ganun naman dito.
Pero hindi naman talaga good.
Oo.
Yun
Kasi
ang
para
napansin
siyang ano lang, hi, hello.
Exactly.
Ganyan.
And ngayon, financially, medyo challenging sa akin kasi it's been 6 months na wala akong extra job.
Mga side gigs,
Although,
ganyan.
oo. Kasi nga, like I said, wala akong network. Pero may mga caregiving job naman akong tinatanggap, which is I love. Kasi nga, at least
Once in a
one-on-one,
while,
yeah.
oo.
So, my husband is working as a caregiver as
Yeah.
well. So, wala for 6 months. So, yung narinig ko noon sa kanila na ang hirap ng paycheck to paycheck, ganyan. At sabi ko, ngayon na-experience siya, totoo pala.
Totoo yun.
Kasi anong tawag nito? Talagang, after you receive your salary, you have to pay for your
All the bills.
Wala
Dadaan
nang
lang.
natitira. Exactly.
Ganon.
Eh, sa totoo lang sa Pilipinas, hindi ko naranasan yun. Hindi ko naranasan yung kapusin.
Oo.
Kasi nga,
Marami tayong resources eh. Tsaka
Exactly.
maraming kasama sa Pilipinas.
and then tsaka, abundant naman ng mga panahon. Dito
Oo.
kasi, kapag wala kang trabaho, nga.
Oh, you
At
have to
walang
find
tutulong
something.
sa'yo,
Oo.
di ba? So, mahirap yung ganong buhay. Puti na lang yung asawa ko medyo well-off kahit papano. Sa
That's
kanyang,
good. Oo, that's good.
sa aking sponsor.
Oo. Tsaka ate, don't limit yourself because you're so, don't forget
Pero siyempre,
na...
season lang naman yan.
naman.
Yeah.
Lahat naman tayo, dumaan ups and down.
Yeah.
Dadaan din yan. Pero how do you see yourself naman? Hopefully in 3 years. What's your
3 years?
ideal person in 3
Well,
years?
gagawin ko na. Sige na.
Gawin mo na yung
It's been a
vlog
while
mo.
kasi actually hindi lang ikaw nagsabi na mag-vlog ka na. Kaya lang, inisip ko kasi anong content? Yung pala, pwede naman yung gano'n-gano'n na. Kasi na-try ko na.
Walang content. Yun yung ano, I don't, personally, because I'm active in media,
For how long?
I don't like watching na I know it's rehearsed and it's just for content. I did not like watching those kind of videos. I love watching yung
kahit
talagang
mga ilang minutes lang.
Napaka-raw na hindi siya na-edit na talagang ano, someone is talking about, minsan may umiiyak, Tuesday Vargas, ay laki na mag-video siya, tapos bigla malungkot lang siya, and then she would cry. Yung parang for me, I could relate to that. Hindi yung parang, ay nag-set,
ang sabihin ko na lang, since lagi ko namang pag nagpo-post ako sa Facebook,
Di talaga,
hashtag
oo.
Simple Life in USA. So, gano'n na lang ako. Jinky
The
Oda
Simple Life of Jinky Oda.
in USA.
In USA.
Oo nga, no.
Oo.
Sige, that's what I'm gonna do.
Yun. Kasi kapag
In 3 years.
mag-content ka, nakaka-pressure natin na anong content ko ngayon? Dapat, kumbaga parang ini-script mo para ka nagagawa ng movie. Unlike
ganun
na yung
pala.
totoo, this is my real
Hindi ka
life.
siguro, ang hinuhugutan ko is that yung mga nagawa ko na before, parang wala masyado nag-view.
Hindi, kasi nagawa mo tapos tumigil ka. It needs
Oo,
consistency, di ba?
dapat pala, oo. So, I'm gonna do that. So, also, save up and travel. Gusto ko talaga mag-travel.
Yes, you have to while you're young.
I think I'm born to be a traveler. Alam mo
yes.
na. Hindi, gusto ko talaga
Tsaka hindi ka talaga ano ate ha. Not because you're in front of me. 56, I really thought you were on your
I'm turning
mid-40s
57.
or late 40s. 57.
Talaga ba?
3 years old ka lang sa mom ko.
Oh, my son
Yes,
is turning
60.
31 this year.
Talaga?
Yeah. So, I have a grandchild now. She's 6 now.
Wow. Wala
Her name
sa
is
ano
Abby.
mo.
I'll give you some pictures para meron ka.
Yes, please give me all the photos.
Yeah,
Kaya nga
yeah,
kasi ate, you're so jolly kasi masaya ka parate. Kaya you look young. Look at
Actually,
your skin, no?
I guess ano yun, gifting.
Yeah, I'm learning a lot from you, ate. Thank you so much
Of
for
course!
accommodating
Thank
my
you, John.
interview.
Yeah.
You know, I learned it's so important to be yourself and not to be afraid. The way
But-
you talk, for me, is not filtered. The way
Thank
you
you.
talk today, the way this interview is not filtered, we did not set any questions. You just talk about anything that's in your heart. And that's the reason why I think you should be a vlogger. You inspire a lot of people. I
Vlogger.
think you can touch a lot of lives.
Well, okay, I'm gonna do it now.
Yes.
But most importantly, kidding aside, put God in the center of your life.
Yes.
Kasi lalo na nandito ako sa Amerika, ang hirap makabuild ng friend dito
Yeah.
Kasi yung mga friend ko nga, kailangan ko pa mag-appointment.
Oo
Kasi
nga,
nga, alam mo
busy
naman sa
lahat.
trabaho. Focus parang puro trabaho.
Yes.
Pero wait, that's not, I don't wanna die like that. So, ang tinakbuhan ko talaga si Lord. I prayed a lot. And I read my Bible a lot with my husband. And doon ko na...
Yung inner peace.
Yung inner...
ate.
Tsaka yun nga yung strength.
Yung strength.
Spiritually,
Nakakayanin mo kahit anong
emotionally
challenge.
strength, yung soul mo talaga kailangan mo i-feed. Lalo
Yeah.
na kapag ang dami ko na-encounter na mag-isa lang dito sa Amerika.
Yeah.
So ako, I consider mag-isa lang din ako kasi my son lives in
Yeah.
Florida, so he has his own family. So kung wala akong asawa, mag-isa lang talaga ako
Yes.
totally. So yeah.
Sa gusto ko sinabi mo kanina, hindi mo na makakayanin kung di naman bibigay sa'yo kung di mo kakayanin.
Exactly. Yun.
Diba?
Sana rin yun. Thank you.
So this is a question I always ask my guests at the end of the interview. How do you want to be remembered?
How do you remember me?
I remember you as someone who's so jolly and
Oh,
very
yeah.
real.
Yun.
Very real.
That's I wanna be
Someone who
remembered.
speaks from the heart. Whether you're going to hear a good or bad news, at least she's being herself. But how do you want to be remembered
I
to
wanna
your
be-
fans?
To my fans,
everyone?
yeah. The person who makes them smile and the person who fears God.
Yes.
Yun.
Si Ate Bali talaga. From that little me watching her, talagang
Right?
ganun talaga siya in person.
Imagine that. That's
I
how
can
amazing.
imagine, Ate, it's so ironic how I was watching and
And it's
looking forward.
amazing.
And I was looking forward for that sticker from that cheese car. Sabi ko, talagang binibili ko na lahat ng snack sa
Hindi ko
tindahan
alam na
namin.
may sticker.
Ang dami ko ng Big Soto na stickers. Meron kayo, Ate, okay ka, Ferry ko
Hindi
stickers.
ko alam.
Sa mga piso-piso, sticker siya, bibili ka
Yeah,
sa
you still
loob.
have it?
Siguro yung old ref namin sa Pilipinas. Kasi ano siya sa ref.
Oh, magnet.
Nababakbak
Ref
na nga yung iba.
magnet.
Hindi siya magnet eh. Paper
Sticker lang.
stickers talaga.
Saan pinicturean mo?
Ang dami parati si Faye, si ano pa nga, si Tweety De Leon pa
Yes,
yata.
yes.
Tapos si Vic Soto.
Si Alice Dixon yung original, pero...
Oo. Tapos sabi ko, bakit wala? Si Ami din meron.
Bakit ako wala?
Sabi ko, nasa yung kay ano, ate, yun talaga yung para ba complete.
Inaabangan mo.
Naka-ano talaga siya. If you ask my
Meron pa-
mom, she knows. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, I didn't know na I'm gonna have an
You can ask
episode.
someone from the Philippines to take a picture para
I
meron kang
know.
ano.
And I'm gonna have an episode of her. Baka yun yung dahilan.
No.
Because sabi siguro ni God, no, you don't need the sticker. You'll meet her in the
Nice.
future.
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you, Ate. Do you want to say
Of course.
anything to everyone before we end
Yes,
the interview?
so I'm having a show on, well, it's gonna be in Fairfield, so I don't think, maybe you have a relatives from...
Yeah. Oh, if they're
Fair-
watching in Fairfield, because
Yeah.
we're gonna share this video to
Yes,
everyone.
Fairfield, in a downtown theater on February 27 with some of the stand-up comedians. We're gonna be with Justin Rivera, our fellow ma'am, along with Jen Perdant and Charlie Spink, hosted by Jimmy Earl. Ito, first time ko makakasama tong mga kilala ng mga stand-up comedian.
Oh.
Actually, they just saw me dun sa, kasi nag-front ako kay Reyna Varete at the time. Parang yan yung mga mga stand-up comedian ng mga panahon na
Yes.
bagets pa tayo. But anyway, so yung producer na to, sabi niya, I like to get Jinky be part
Yes.
of my, kasi mag-venture sila ng mga comedy
See, the
show.
more they see, the more they want you. I told you, you need to expose yourself.
Eh wala naman akong ginawa nung tumambling-tumbling lang naman.
Di ba?
Kung, actually, wala lang.
You're part of the
Kasi,
Filipino,
I guess kasi natutuwa ako sa ginagawa ko na pag nakikita kong natatawa yung mga tao, it's like a
Mabalik na yung
medicine.
alaala ko nung pag nag-aaway kayo ni Pipoy, sa mga kapero ko. Nasa tindahan ka parang, ano ka ba nag-aaway? Until now, I
Tsaka
remember
si
that.
Ami.
Oo, tapos si Ami, kung nag-aaway kayo,
Si Ruben
tapos
Rodriguez.
sinano kayo ni Vic Soto. Away kayo ng away.
Exactly. Pampadagdag kami doon,
Yan.
pampagulo.
Well, there you go. Watch her for the future vlog. Thank you guys so much from Arizona and now here in San Francisco. I hope you enjoyed this episode. This is John Saavedra, The Unlimited.
In today's fast-paced business landscape, staying ahead of the competition requires innovative solutions. That's where Proxima Outsource Philippines comes in. Are you tired of juggling multiple tasks, sacrificing precious time and resources? Outsourcing can be the key to unlocking your business's full potential. Our team of experts provides top-notch outsourcing services tailored to your business needs. From customer service to data entry, we got you covered. By partnering with Proxima Outsource Philippines, you can enjoy significant cost savings, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results, so you can focus on growing your business. Ready to unlock your business's full potential? Contact Proxima Outsource Philippines today to learn more about our expert outsourcing solutions. Proxima Outsource Philippines,